Hey guys, I got a quick glitch for you guys today. On this glitch, all you need to do is get on one of these trucks, go on the side of the ladder, and walk into the truck, and you'll be inside of it. It's a really easy wall breach. This will work online, and it'll work on any truck. Except trucks without the barrels will be a little bit harder. But I managed to get this one in a little bit. But thanks for watching this video. Please leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe for more Modern Warfare 3 glitches. Thanks for watching.
There you go. I just want to get back in. What are you doing? Oh, good shit. You're in this paint. Okay, you're in this paint. Oh, fucking a goalie, you get caught in the